Hello, this is the Kima Channel Man, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about how to pattern and locate fish. Over the past 10 years while living down here in the Kima area, I've spent literally hundreds and hundreds of hours just graphing the bottom all the way from Clear Lake to Baytown to Galveston, trying to find different areas, drop-offs, offshore rock piles, any types of channel swings that hold a lot of these fish. And so how you get started, or how I got started, is by using Google Earth and getting on Google Earth and going back in time and trying to find times of low tide, and then take snapshots of that and then break the whole bay system down by 2-mile sections. And so here's kind of an example of what I've done, and it's really helped me become a lot better fisherman down here, especially on redfish. But I've broken it down, and I have little areas, and each one of these areas is a 2-mile section. And as you will see, I've got a total of 59 what I call really sweet spots that are the highest probability catches, because the Galveston Bay system is gigantic. But one thing you need to remember is that 90% of the fish inhabit only 10% of the water. So if you can find the areas that lie within that 10% and then get that down to just the sweet spots, it'll really help you catch more fish. But here's an example of what I'm talking about. So I'll take a 2-mile section on a Google Earth image, and then I will highlight areas where I've caught fish. And one of the things that I started doing is I started keeping track of every redfish. This is primarily my redfish file, of every spot where I've caught a redfish over 26 inches. And so what you'll begin to notice after a little bit of time is that there are truly hot spots that hold tons of fish, and they're very consistent, and you will always catch big fish there. So I'm going to take this one area, for example, and show you what I'm talking about. So this is an area that I graphed a creek channel, and you can see the black lines, and it shows the channel swings. And then I have red dots that mark areas where I've caught fish over 26 inches. And you'll begin to see clusters of areas where these larger fish hold. And one of the things in this area that's really unique is you'll notice almost every time there's a channel swing, here, 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 that those areas opposite sides of the channel swings are the key spots in this particular area. So if I could just give you one tip, spend a lot of time graphing, because a lot of times a fishing trip is not about catching fish. It's about learning where to fish, how to pattern them, and how to catch them. So I hope this tips helps you find more fish, pattern fish, and catch fish. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.